this one for all WiFi Arial and my pole with magnets on. I had the one for all on the top, which is the TV aerial, and I had the Kuma Wi-Fi dragger inner on the bottom. One for all, biggest load of crap out. Didn't get a picture anywhere in South Wales, not a sausage. I put my mag mount back on the roof, a little short mag mount, and I had 60 odd channels down in Tenby. Put this up, had absolute bugger all. So my review on that, crap. It was a waste of 30 odd quid. It came with a little tiny electric booster. That was crap as well, because I tried running that with the mag mount and it still wouldn't draw in a picture. Put the aerial directly into the back of the TV, fucking worked perfect. So my review on that one is downhill. It's one for all. They do remote controls and other things like that. So anybody wants to buy that, they can have it for a tenner. That, on the other hand, my Wi-Fi booster, absolutely great. I had direct off my laptop. I only had two Wi-Fi hotspots, and I couldn't connect to either of them because they were pay only. And I plugged this in, and I got about 7 or 8 BT Wi-Fi open zones, hotspots, and of course, because I'm a BT customer, I get free Wi-Fi for that.